I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some baskets for your home.
In this video, I'll show how to make the small basket, then show how to make changes to create the medium and large baskets. I'm using 700 yards of worsted weight yarn to make all 3 baskets, and we'll be holding 2 strands of yarn together to create a stronger and more stable basket. To begin, make a magic ring, which is just a very loose slip knot. Then chain 1. In this ring, and over its tail end, make 10 half double crochet stitches to start the base or bottom section of all the baskets. Once completed, pull on that starting tail end to close the ring. Then slip stitch to the first stitch. We'll always start with the chain 1 and end with slip stitches in this pattern. For round 2, make 2 half double crochet stitches in each stitch around. Since our previous round had 10 stitches on it, this round will have 20 stitches on it. For round 3, we'll do the pattern of 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch. Then just a half double crochet in the next stitch. And we'll repeat. 2 half double crochet stitches in the next stitch. Then 1 half double crochet in the next stitch. And continue with this around. For round 4 of the base, make 2 half double crochet stitches in the first stitch, then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Then do it again. 2 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 half double crochet. And for round 5, we'll do 2 half double crochet stitches. Then 1 half double crochet in each of the next 3 stitches. And continue with this around. If you are making the small basket, 5 rounds is all we need to form the base or bottom section of the basket. For the medium-sized basket, you'll increase for 2 more rounds for a total of 7 rounds. And the written pattern on my website explains how to increase if you are uncertain about it. Then for the large basket, we'll increase for a total of 11 rounds. Once you make the appropriate size base for your basket, we'll work on the sides. And this applies to all 3 baskets. For round 1 of the sides, we're going to make 1 single crochet in the back loops only all the way around. You'll start to see this ridge area form along the bottom section. For round 2 of the sides, for all of the baskets, we're going to do 1 half double crochet in each stitch around. But we're going to alternate where we put them. The first half double crochet is in the back loops. Then the next half double crochet uses both loops. Back loop only, and then both loops. You'll alternate this back loop and both loop half double crochet pattern around. And then for all subsequent rounds of the baskets, we're just going to repeat that pattern. Half double crochet, back loop, then a half double crochet under both loops. The only thing that will change among the 3 baskets is how many of these side rounds you make. And it's really a personal choice. For my small basket, I have a total of 4 rounds on the sides. For the medium, 6 side rounds. And for the large, 11 rounds for the sides. Once you complete the sides, I like to put an edging along the top. It's up to you. You have a choice of either the reverse single crochet stitch, which can be a little tricky to make with 2 strands of yarn, or you can just do a regular single crochet stitch along the top edge. My small basket is complete. With all of the baskets, they are pretty sturdy. However, you might still want to strengthen them a bit more. I use items from the kitchen to help mold the baskets into shape. There are a number of spray items or glue and water formulas you can use. Spray on or paint on the products and let the baskets dry. And that's how I crochet cute baskets for my home.
Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of new videos from me each week. And if you liked the video you just watched, be sure to check out my next video, which I think you'll like very much.